Just saw a big lightning strike, waiting for the thunder. I think the goal is to go up there. That looks really way up there. Gonna be fun. First bit of this, it's all been 30 or 45 degrees, straight up gravel, and you gotta measure every single step, which is good.
Oh, I feel great. You know, this is the best day of my life.
The worst part about this whole expedition, there's uncertainty as to whether we'll be able to even fly. I got a whole bag full of crap. I remember when we were on the same height as those houses down there. We're still heading up, I believe, to the top of that thing. Right there. We are just about at the summit. That's the real summit. Welcome to the top.
Good job,
sweaty.
babe. If it starts raining here,
Yeah, we better be lower down, yeah.
because
Not at the
here-
very top in the clouds where the thunderstorms
It's okay,
are.
we brought some lightning strike poles.
It's all good.
Just hold them up, it won't hit you. We are a little bit worried about some scary weather coming in from the tippity top of our mountain. And so we're gonna book it down to a little bit lower where we are not in danger of slipping and falling and dying when we are descending if we get caught in the rain. So we're gonna go down a little bit, and right there is where we're looking to fly. So let's get going.
Gonna follow the light to the love. Gonna follow the light to the love. Gonna follow the light to the love. Gonna follow.
I'm putting this away for the rest of this descent because it's too scary.
Gonna follow the light to the love. Gonna follow light to the love. Gonna follow the light to the love.
So I made it about half of the way through my first battery, and a cloud started crawling in across from down to up. And it looks freaking insane when that happens. but you also can't see. We're just gonna roll with it, try to get a little further down the hill. Just looks so crazy.
So everything was just clear, and like we just have cloud formation everywhere. So I think we just passed the dew point and everything's just condensing. So we should just get out of here because it's gonna rain.
The France.
Quickly turned from a hike into a run.
Oh shit.
Everything you see behind
Oh shit.
is likely to make us wet, and not in the fun way. Ooh. And now we're just trying to descend fast, and it makes your legs hurt real bad.
Not trying to descend fast. But oh shit. That might take so much time. You gotta go.
I swear I've never seen anything like this before. It's like the mist from Lost. Like, right there. That's where we were. We'd be dead now.
It's chasing us down the hill.
Like, we are entering the cloud.
No.
We're gonna lose Jordan to the fog! Jordan, where are you? Did the fog get you? It's actually kind of weird because this whole ordeal is this weird combination of like peaceful and intense all at the same time. Like we've got the crazy, scary clouds going on, but then we've also got this nice tinkling of cowbells. Looks like we're in the home stretch. Just gotta make it to that building over there before we get doused. What's up?
I did it. I'm happy.
Good.